This is a Lockwood 334. This lock requires a much lighter touch than normal because it has those short Lockwood spools in it that are insanely easy to overset. So to try to get into it, we'll use the Law Lock tools, 47 thousandths, and number 3 from the Reaper set. So nothing on 1. 2 puts us into a little false set. Nothing on 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 2 is a very high set, and it dropped number 4. But if you just take your time and use a light touch, it's not really insanely difficult, but they are good locks. But that is the 334 Lockwood. Oh, from Nigby.